Hello, everyone. How are you guys doing tonight? Good, I hope. So, tonight I'm working on Under God Volume 3. I'm finishing it up as much as possible. I've got a little ways to go, to be honest. Um, but I'll get into the events and what's happening or what I've learned in 2025 and as we're going into 2026, you know. Um, so yeah, I'd like to go there. So, first off, Under God Volume 2 and Volume 3, uh, I'll have that in production soon. Well, Volume 2, I'll have that physicals very soon. I know I said that in many videos, but since I'm working again and things are coming back on track, and I'm also picking up some new skills for this direction that I'm going for, it's like uh, I'll get into that. But that's what's going on with Volume 2 and Volume 3. At the moment, I'm getting the funds together for this too, and I want to be able to have these products available, like right off hand, instead of waiting this long for a second book. The book is already done, of course. It's just in a physical format or digital format. My bad. So that's where we're at with Volume 2. But as for Volume 1, of course, you can get a physical and get the digital download as well. So, yes, um, the new career move, it's going alongside with what I'm doing, and it will benefit the funding for the company for the Angels of the Renaissance company. And that is where I'm at with that and why I'm doing this. So, yeah, I want more funding, and I want to have things done, much more immediate and have it there on hand, like the card game and all that stuff. Like that's why I'm doing this career move with the machining uh, and engineering kind of stuff. Like that's something to fall back on. But not only that, it's to fund what I'm doing, and then because I enjoy working with machines and doing this kind of stuff, but I want to take it a step further, and I feel that it will help with uh, with what I want to do with this company. So that's where I'm at and where I stand at with that. um, so the new manga title, I won't announce it till like later, until like the summertime, like springtime. Uh, that won't be released until July. I won't announce it till July. So keep an eye out for that as well. Pretty excited about it, and also the different how I want to go about this thing. You know, even how the art, everything's like the approach is going to be different compared to Under God. I mean, I'll still draw it. It's just what I'm going to do with the backgrounds and stuff. I'm contemplating this new technique if I want to do this or not to kind of push it and also help the workflow. So I'm pretty excited about this new project. So it's gonna be working alongside Undergod at the same time, and it's just a one shot. So that's uh, that's what's in store for 2026. I haven't been live streaming much, and I've been pretty flaky about appearing and stuff. And it's just with the work and what I have in plan, have in mind in store, and what I've been working at. I don't. I feel like in this video, I feel I need to explain it to you guys before I'm just like I'm in my work and you know it doing the live streams and stuff. I'll get back into that eventually, but probably keep it on the page, do that, but also do my own live stream, of course, and yeah. So, and that's another thing. So like Volume 4 of Undergod and Volume 5 as well, uh, will also be getting pushed for next year. So those are like main, like Undergod's like the flagship. So that we're pushing for 35 volumes, that we are, or I am. I'm working by myself on that as well. So, but for this new title, it's just a one shot. So I mentioned before. And another thing, I've learned just to kind of work in solitude. Live streaming's cool and all. I don't mind it. It's cool for meeting the people and stuff. But also, I think in some case, I'm just gonna keep a peace of mind for a minute and keep producing. Of course, never gonna slow down and stop. So at the moment, right now, it's just balancing being a mangaka and also like balancing out uh, being a machinist too. So that's what's going on with that. And at the moment, if you guys want to reach me, you can reach me on Instagram and also on X. I don't have Discord anymore. I'm like having issues with that, but you can reach me out to on those platforms. I'm not gonna really be talking to many people as well, so I think in some most case, I think what I'm gonna just do is just work at my own pace and just go live whenever, but not like how I used to do it. I want to say it used to be fun, but I'm I want to come back to it eventually. But right now, it's just like with the workload, everything going on with Under God and this new title, and even other things I'm not announcing to you guys. I'm just gonna work like this, Just gonna kind of work in the shadows a little bit, forge my sword in the dark. So right now it's late night drawing and early studying. I'm studying the whole CNC machine operations to know the ins and outs of a CNC machine, like especially the Haas and any other ones as well. Um, but also like making parts, tools, and tooling and all that stuff, doing all that stuff. I like that kind of stuff. It's just like one of those things you have on the side. One of those things I do that I enjoy. Matter of fact, I want to go get me a personal mini lathe and a mill in the future. So I can start start machining parts from here. But yeah, that's what's been going on. So in the meantime, yeah, if you guys want, you can uh you can message me on Instagram and on X. You can follow me at sevens underscore October. Matter of fact, I don't know where my thing is at, but I'll write it down here. Should have these things prepared ahead of time. But yeah, you can follow me on. You can follow me there, sevens underscore October, and then on X and Instagram, and also here on YouTube. So subscribe if you like. Every little bit helps and counts, and I enjoy that very much. So yes, that is what is happening. Just want to get back into the groove of things. Never gave up or quit. Just the things I'm dealing with on my personal life, yeah, and also the creating part and all that stuff. And then some things, you just use certain things to get away from things, make escapism, you I found like live streaming was cool. It was a cool way to get away, to get to know the people, and also just to share a piece of myself. And you start to learn things like what I've learned so far in 2025, and how to stay productive and just stay away from things that are just not good, for what you're trying to do, what you're doing and achieving. So, well, anyways, you guys have an awesome night, and if you guys like and can, you can also come check out, get your copy of Under God at Angels of the Renaissance.com. You can also get, yes, you can get your copy of Under God at angelsoftherenaissance.com. At angelsoftherenaissance.com. So, yes, you can get you a physical and the digital, over 200 plus pages. Come join Sevens in October as they traverse the world of Primera, and they deal with Bellomo and the cannibalistic religion of Bellomo, yes. And there's many more stories and things that's gonna happen along the way in this journey. So yeah, if you guys like, and also these are limited edition with this cover title like this, so there's only so many of these left, the physical. So in the meantime, yes. But yeah, thank you guys for stopping in and all these checking outs. You know what's happening. I appreciate you guys very much. So if you guys like again, you guys can get your copy of Under God, and you can follow me on X, Instagram, and of course here on YouTube. So yes. In the meantime, you guys have an awesome night, and I'll see you guys again. Take it easy.